So before we can start a fire without any kindling, we're going to need some sort of fire starter. Here I'm going to show you how to make a homemade fire starter using toilet roll, tissue, and a little bit of veggie oil. The first thing you want to do, you want to fold it up, paper towel. You want to dip the bottom of it. It's going to be your source of where it's going to ignite from. You want to fold it like so. Make sure you let it soak in there. You want to stuff it inside the toilet roll. Okay, there you go. So now we're going to start setting the fire up. So you want to start your fire starter first. It's a little windy out here. Okay. You want to lay your fire starter against the wood. You want to put the wood on top of it like so. Okay. Another piece of wood on the side. Make sure you space it out a little bit. All right. And if you do it correctly, that's how you start a fire without any kindling.